Today we are going to see the recipe for pineapple milkshake and strawberry milkshake. So let's get started. For pineapple milkshake we need half cup of chilled milk, 3 scoops of any good brand vanilla ice cream, a pineapple piece and sprinkles for garnishing, 1 to 2 tablespoons of homemade pineapple jam, or you can say pineapple crush. You can refer my recipe for this. The link will be given in the description box below. Don't use any store-bought pineapple jam for this recipe. In a blender jar, add vanilla ice cream, pineapple jam, or you can say pineapple crush, and milk. Blend them well for few seconds. Pineapple milkshake is ready. Pour the milkshake in a glass and garnish it with a pineapple piece and sprinkles over the top. The refreshing pineapple milkshake is ready. For strawberry milkshake we need 1 cup of chilled milk, 4 to 5 chopped strawberries, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar as per your like, 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream, a strawberry for garnishing, and some sugar crystals coated with rose pink color. Add chopped strawberries, strawberry ice cream, sugar and milk in a blender jar and blend them well for few seconds. Pour the milkshake in a glass and garnish it with a strawberry and sugar crystals over the top. The delicious strawberry milkshake is ready. If you like this delightful recipe of pineapple milkshake and strawberry milkshake, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.